Well guys, we are about to do a very fun project. We are going to make some glow-in-the-dark squeezable wax melts. If you love these videos, go ahead and hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you do not miss the up and coming videos that will be on the channel. All right, so first things first, I have a simple mica glow-in-the-dark kit. This came off of Amazon. If you guys need the link, I will leave it in the Patreon and you can go directly to Amazon and purchase this yourself. Okay guys, so we are going to use some vegetable oil, and the reason why I am using vegetable oil is because it is the cheapest. You can buy any kind of oil to use, mineral, MCT. Vegetable oil is very cheap, okay? So every time, vegetable oil. The next thing we're going to do is we are going to put our wax in the pot. Now, we are using parasoy wax. I normally only use 464 or soy wax, but this time I decided to go with the parasoy because the parasoy is a little bit stronger. Just like you would if you was making candles, you want to go ahead and monitor your temperature. Now, when you get to the right temperature, you want to go ahead and add your vegetable oil. Now, remember, all of your temperatures will be found in the Patreon. That is where I keep all of my recipes. The Patreon is full of candle making recipes, skincare recipes. Everything you need is there. I don't even know why you're still in this video. Get in there. We do free classes, and we also have live hangouts and candle making classes. Actually, a candle making class is coming up very soon, so you want to get in. All right, so once you pour your vegetable oil in there, you're going to notice that it is going to clump up together, and this is very normal, so don't think you did the wrong thing. So what you want to do is you want to raise the temperature and keep stirring it until it's all just clear and you don't see any more of the clumps from the vegetable oil. All right, so in the next phase, you are going to add your fragrance oil. So you want to monitor the temperature. Now, when it came down to mine got pretty hot, so I had to allow it to sit for a while. And one thing about this, it's not the same as when you're just using just a regular wax and you're waiting for it to cool down. This oil, it holds the heat. So it took a while for it to cool down enough for me to put my fragrances inside of it. Now you want to make sure, fragrance, you want to make sure that you do not put your fragrance in when it's really hot because it will burn off. The type of fragrance that you use is also important because, you use things like coconut, cotton candy and peppermint, things like that. You won't smell. So you want to make sure that you use the stronger scents like the Gains, the Snuggles, the Fruit Loops. You guys know what strong scents are. All right, the next thing we're going to do is we are going to divide this up into 3 different containers, okay? Now, the only reason why I'm doing 3 is because I'm kind of using different colors. But if I was just using one color, I would not put it in multiple containers. I just wanted to put that out there to let you guys know. You don't have to do that if you are using just one color, okay? So I decided to go with 3 different colors in this particular project just to see what will actually glow in the dark, because not all colors will work. It's certain colors that will glow and certain colors that will look at you like you're crazy. Okay, so the first color that I used was very light. It reminded me of the glow sticks that we used to get when we would go to the carnival. And these sticks would be, just used as a wand, or we would wear them as a bracelet or a necklace. Yes, this was a very bright color, and it in fact, show up, and I loved this color. So I'm going to mix these colors in one by one, and you guys will see as we go along. Now, when it comes down to your squeezable wax pouches, guys, they are normally pretty closed up. So the way that I'm pouring this wax in here, I had to blow it up like it was a balloon. I had to put my mouth up to it and just kind of blow into it just to get it to open up. And it was just the easiest way to do it. All right, so the next color up is purple. I also used another highlighter color and I poured pink in there as well. Now, I do want to remind you that this was a sample pack and I really did not have a whole lot of mica, so I had to start mixing colors just to get it to come out a little bit brighter, and I actually liked it better that way. Now, this color came out very beautiful. Go ahead and, like I said before, take your squeezable wax melt pouch, put your mouth up to it like you're giving it CPR, blow into it like you're blowing a balloon, and then pour in your wax. If you want to go for the ombre look, guys, which is really nice, I like it, just take your first layer, pour it, allow it to solidify, and then pour your second layer and start moving it around, just kind of aggravating and agitating it, and those two colors will kind of blend together. But try not to do it too much, because then it will blend way too much. Now I'm working on my last color, and I used a few different colors that all equaled out to a very bright, beautiful, unique orange. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. Okay, I love them. They are really, really nice, but I ain't gonna lie to y'all, this is fine. These kind of look like regular wax melts to me, but in the dark, they are the bomb. This is so beautiful. And this is the mica that I had left over, so you guys could see the mica as well, and how the blue look, the orange look, the green look. I was very, very pleased with the finished product.